pick of the day. Hi, I'm Teacher Carla. I'll teach you English in Bisaya way. Our word pick of the day is lucid. Lucid. Unsa ka ni siya sa Bisaya? Unsaon ka ni siya nato pag Bisaya? In this word pick series, ato ang sabton ang isa ka English word according sa context clues nga gihatag sa sentence. Now, let's read our sentence. His explanation was so lucid that even complex ideas became easy to understand. Our available clues here are easy, complex to easy, and then explanation. So, if an explanation gani, ang explanation nga gikan sa complex means lisod, difficult, nahingo siyang sayon, easy to understand. It means that ang iyang explanation is lucid, claro. Okay? Claro. Comment down below daw unsaon paggamit sa lucid in a sentence. Let's go! Unsaan gani? Unsa ni siya? Good job! That's it for today. Isgalata ugma. Bye!